These are the elevators. It's some apartment building in Cleveland, Ohio. These were originally Westinghouse, but sadly they were modernized by ThyssenKrupp. Here it is. Down to one. Oh, this one was a penthouse. Interesting. There we go. They're slow. Kind of another fan here. One. Door open with two. Penthouse open? It is open. Maybe the other one did not have a penthouse floor. Here we go. Penthouse. What's up here? I think it's just someone's unit or something. They just built this wall. Back down to two. Another one. Certificate. That's where we are. It's like, I think it's a redone cabin, it's a weird redone cabin. I feel like I've seen TK do a cabin like this before. There's a camera, Big Brother, hot lights, kind of dirty, not in the best condition, but not out of the ordinary for a rental apartment building. We are stopping at the third floor. You too. All right, that's it.